Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Man, that is madness, really. Whoa, boy. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. I just tested the Emax BabyHawk R, the racing edition on 3S, and honestly, this is absolutely fantastic and flies really, really fast. I can't imagine what would it do on 4S, and to be honest, I'm scared a bit to put in 4S and go line of sight because I might just lose line of sight. But hey, here goes nothing. Let's give it a try and see what it would do on 4S, and then my 3S can actually take rest. Alright, come on 4S. This is the Tattoo 4S 850 mAh 75C, and we are going to test the Emax BabyHawk Racing Edition on 4S. They say it's designed for 4S. Okay? You say it's designed for 4S, and we strap a big 4S to it. And my radio is on, it's on this arm, because man, on 4S, these motors are gonna pull some serious RPMs. There you go. Alright man, here goes nothing. Let's get ready. Whew. I can feel it, baby. I can feel it right there. Whoa! Did you hear the scream of motor? I mean, the motors are screaming in totally a different way. So now I have to be really careful with throttle. Man. Woo! Whoa, 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 I'm losing line of sight. I'm losing line of sight. Man, I'm not gonna do that again. Oh man, that was some serious speed. Let's just check some punch right here and not do the horizontal punch. I mean, vertical punch is just awesome. Woo, boy. Now we are at a crazy or madness level, man. Woo. That is madness level, man. Ooh, that is madness level. I almost cut myself if it comes like that. Man, that is madness, really. Whoa, boy. I'm losing line of sight already. Yoo-hoo, man, I'm out of words here. I mean, I don't know what to say. This thing is, it's like on fire. It is absolutely a warp speed rocket. This is like 40% throttle only. 100% throttle and it goes crazy. As I said, whoa, almost face off right here, man. I heard those motors. That could have been a face off. Ah, man, that would be painful if you hit this thing straight in your face on full throttle. You gotta be extremely careful, man. Really, you gotta be extremely careful. Here comes the punch. Oh, it's already on the moon. Oh man, can you feel my joy? I mean, I'm actually proud having the 4S batteries right here. almost landing on the moon, man. All right, that's enough. Let me do some kind of aerobatic. Let me do some aerobatics. One little punch gives you time to do 2 flips. I'm doing slow flips actually. Man, don't do that, please. Whew. All right, man, let's not tease the motors. Let's hit the kill switch. I don't want to land on that. I wanted to hit the kill switch. Let's see what the motors are feeling. Okay, now they are warm, but not burning hot. Let's see what this capacitor is feeling. Nah, barely warm. Alright, well, next step for me to put in my 3S and switch the video transmitter to 200 milliwatt and do FPV, do the rain check first. Yes, I have to do the rain check because on 4S, imagine at this speed, I can just instantly go out of video transmitter range, and I'm finding this little one here will be a bit trouble. I believe the beeper will help a bit. But anyway, let's try 3S FPV on it, and then let's try 4S. I wish I had my SQ12 arrived in time. That tiny little HD camera will fit just perfect on this quad and give us an HD video. Until then, next videos will be the crappy DVR quality standard definition video of Emax BabyHawk R. But hey, we have no choice. But at least that video will tell all of you what it feels like inside the goggle on board this little monster right here.